Babu, what is your name?
Science.
Which class you are studying?
First class.
In which school?
Krishnaveni Thailand School.
Okay. How many districts are there
33.
in Telangana state? What are they?
The Adilabad, Asifabad, Bhuvanagari, Gopalpalli, Datwal, Hyderabad, Almakonda, Jainagan, Jaichal, Kamareddy, Karimnagar, Kommam, Kottagudem, Mahbubabad, Mahbubnagar, Mancherial, Medak, Medchal, Mulugu, Nagar Karnool, Nalagonda, Narayanapet, Nirmal, Nizamabad, Pedapalli, Sangareddy, Siddipet, Sirsilla, Suryapet, Vikarabad, Vanapati, Varangal, Yadatri.
Very good. Say bye.
Bye.